on a VLOGMAS, baby. And you know what we're doing? Going to the grocery store because it's slightly snowing in New York right now. And I don't like that. If it's your first time here, I'm Jaleisha V. Welcome to my channel. We are doing VLOGMAS. I don't know if I'm committing to like every single day, but I think I'm gonna try to do every day, but not a vlog every day. So like something every day though, like a vlog or just a regular content video every day, or even like a short. Like I feel like that counts, right? So I am trying to post something every day for VLOGMAS, and I'm excited. So at the moment I'm going to a grocery store. Actually, I'm going to Dunkin' first, because who would I be if I didn't stop at Dunkin'? And it was a grocery store. I wasn't going to Trader Joe's, but I ain't gonna lie to you, I be trying to really like Trader Joe's, but I feel like you can't get everything you need at Trader Joe's, so then I end up having to go to Trader Joe's and another store, and I don't want to do all that. I just want to go to Trader Joe's or just the grocery store. Like I don't want to go to more than one store. So I might go another day, but I'm not going today because it's not, Trader Joe's is not by any grocery store that I want to go to. So that's that. Also, I got a new phone. Can y'all tell? I'm filming on my new iPhone 13. I got the Pro. I didn't get the Pro Max. I got the regular Pro, and I got it on cinematic mode, so I think it's giving like blurred background. I like it. I like it whatever. I like it whatever. It's real cute. I'll tell y'all about my Friendsgiving or Thanksgiving I had a really good Thanksgiving. I went to a really nice Friendsgiving. I might have some clips I can insert here. Some clips I can insert here from Friendsgiving. And then on actual, it was the day before Thanksgiving. Then on actual Thanksgiving, I made my own food. I'll put it here on the screens. I can see, baby, we had everything. We had turkey, we had dressing, macaroni, spaghetti, greens. What else? Yams. What else? I can't think of anything else. But it was really good. I made an apple pie twice. I made apple pie on Thanksgiving. I made another one a couple days ago because I wanted to try with green apples, but red apples. Use red apples in your apple pie. Green apples makes it kind of tart, and I don't really like that in apple. I like green apples. I like to eat green apples, but I don't want to eat green. I like to eat green apples by itself, but I don't want to eat green apples in the apple pie. You know what I mean. You know. And now it's back to the middle of the week, back to normal scheduled programming. Me trying to get this content out, obviously. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, this is why I kind of don't want to do VLOGMAS every day, because I really spend the weekdays, at least the weekdays, by myself. Like I don't really see people during the week. I don't really go nowhere during the week, really. I kind of just stay at home and like do my own thing during the weekdays, and then on the weekends I'll get out and have fun. But most of the time, like during the week, I'm just like at home working on content, you know, stuff like that. Okay, I made some grocery store. The coffee is obviously secure. It's almost gone, really. I'm gonna go in this grocery store. It's like not that many people here today, thank God. I really don't feel like fighting the old people over no groceries today. So I'm actually really hungry too. I need to wash my hair. I might go in this Alex. I really need to wash my hair again, because I'm gonna post my silk press video of me doing this. Like I did it like 2 weeks ago, but I never posted a video, so I'm gonna post this one, the VLOGMAS post. But I'm getting my mind. You ever just like sit in the car, like get your mind together before you get out the car? That's what I'm doing right now. I'm tired. And I might get some Chipotle because I'm hungry. And yeah, I'm going to the grocery store, but I haven't eaten nothing today. It's 1:55, and I kind of want Chipotle, or I could just buy something to make at home. But by the time I get the groceries, go home, put them up, cook it, it's gonna be like too late. So I'm just gonna get some Chipotle after this. I look crazy. I might go in this 5 Below 2. I really want like a coffee mug. I need to stop doing this. I really want like a coffee mug, like a Christmas mug, but I should have went to like Marshall's or somewhere for that. And I'm not in this shopping center. I'm in a different shopping center. So, all right, I'm gonna see y'all. I might actually call y'all back when I get home, because I'm not gonna vlog inside the grocery store. Because who wants to see a grocery store? So I'm gonna call y'all back when we get home. I might show y'all me making some dinner. And yeah. Made it back home. I put the groceries up. Let's show y'all what I got at Target. I only got a couple things. I got what I actually went in there to get. I didn't buy nothing extra, but I'm still gonna show y'all what I got. So I got this sad ass little Christmas tree that I'm gonna put like right here, I think. Because basically I don't have a big Christmas tree because I'm going home next week and I live in New York. And honestly, it's just not that much space in my living room for a real Christmas tree. I mean, it is space for like maybe a tall, skinny tree, but I'm not even gonna be here for like another week. So, and my roommate gonna be here, but he ain't worried about my Christmas tree, and I can just do the Christmas tree thing when I get to my mama's house. So, in the meantime, I have this little like this Christmas tree that I'm about to set up after this, and it's kind of sad, but it's like it's still a Christmas tree. But I got these little bulbs. I got there. It's like a white, silver, glitter type of colorway. I do have some pink ones, but pink doesn't really go in my room this year, so I got these just to, you know, be more festive. And they were $3, so it's not bad. Hopefully they come with the little things to hang on the tree. I got some tissue. Boring. And I got a water, thank God. I got, if you like me have a bunch of empty water bottles, like I refill these. Like I'm not that wasteful, but I buy a bottle of water and then I refill it like with my filter like 25 times, and then I buy a new one. So I got a new bottle of water, but I was really thirsty in the store. That's why I got this, and I didn't even drink it. And I got this candy bar. Yo, if you never had this candy, it's called Cadbury Milk Dairy Milk Fruit and Nut. The fruit and nut one is so good. I absolutely love these. I got it from the grocery store, and I haven't seen these in New York. I have seen it in one other place, but they were like $5, but it was on like $3. And you know I had to get one, so I already opened it up. Then I got what I went in there for, a mug. So I was trying to decide which one I wanted, but I thought this one was like the most okay one that they had at Target. They didn't really have that many that I really liked, but this is the one I like the most, and I didn't really feel like going to another store. And it says warm and cozy on the inside. That's cute, right? Yeah. So they really had mugs. They have a lot more mugs at, like, you go to TJ Maxx or Marshalls. They got a lot more like nicer, like cuter ones, but this one is cute enough for what I need right now. I'm probably gonna get another one anyway. So yeah, that's what I got from Target. And I did buy some hot chocolate at the grocery store, so one of these days I'm gonna make some hot chocolate, maybe tonight. I don't know. No, probably not tonight. So I'm watching this Brunny. If you watch her, I love her videos. She's like really fashionable. She got like a fall accessories haul, so I'm watching that. I'm about to clean up my room just to like get it back straight, because I'm trying to stop letting my room get out of control. If you have seen my little clean with me vlogs, y'all know I let my room get out of control, and I'm trying to stop doing this. So I'm gonna straighten up my room before it even gets too bad. And we're gonna put up this little Christmas tree. I think I might sit it over here, but like this is kind of in the way. It's got my perfumes on it, so I really want to sit it over here, but this is in the way. So I might sit it on my desk. over there. But I really want to be able to see it in the background of my videos. Like if I was gonna do a sit down video or something, but I don't know. I was telling y'all about stuff I got from Target. Look at these cute house shoes I got. Oh my God. I had to get them when I saw them. I didn't get these today. I actually got these a couple days ago. That's only $10. And they got them in like other colors. I got the ones I've been wearing, like these ones on my feet. I got these last Christmas from Target, and I have, you see how dusty they are? So I get to replace them with these. So I'll definitely link them below if you want some. But I think I'm gonna start wearing them soon. I'm very attached to the ones I have on my feet though. That's why I haven't started wearing these, but I'm gonna go ahead and start wearing them. But I might wait for another couple weeks. I don't know, I'm just so attached. Like, do you ever get like attached to stuff even though you know you have a replacement, but you like really like the ones you've been wearing? That's how I feel about my house shoes. They look terrible. Like I got black paint on them when I was painting my wall. I got black paint on them. They just dirty. Like I could wash them, but I just bought another pair. Okay, I'm gonna clean my room for real. All right, y'all.
Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you fly so high. Tell me how you fly so high.
Make sure you tear out your address when you throw away mail, because people are weird and you never know. So make sure you rip up your address off your mail. That's what I'm doing.
Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, they came after you, but instead of staying down, you went to the moon. And the day before Christmas, Santa chose you as the one. He said, long as the trees lit bright, I know you can guide my sleigh tonight. Rudolph, 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 how you do that? Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you
Okay, I cleaned up my room. As you can see in the background, it's more clean. Yeah, so now I got this Christmas tree. It's very small. I got it last year, like when Christmas was over. It was like $5. So I'm about to set it up, baby. It does light up. This is so sad. Look at this Christmas tree. Like, what the freak? So y'all remember when I said that I hope that these ornaments came with the little hooks? They don't. And I have some hooks somewhere because I have the pink ones that I used last year. I just don't know where they at. But I'm not gonna look for it tonight because honestly, I'm over this now. Dang! This is gonna be cute. So I guess we'll continue this in tomorrow's video. I'm gonna look for those later, I guess. Tomorrow or something. Okay, y'all, I know I said I was gone, but I'm gonna show y'all my cheese dip I'm making. It looks so good. Let me see. Turn it around. So it's just like Velveeta cheese, ground turkey, and rotel, like tomatoes. So I'm just letting the cheese melt down. It's gonna be fire. It's gonna be fire. So I'm gonna come back and show y'all when it's done. But it's about to be good. I put on my Savage X Fenty. It's loud. My Savage X Fenty like jumpsuit. And I'm about to lay down. I'm not gonna lay down. I'm just gonna sit here and eat my food and watch some TV while I edit this vlog. Right? Right? No. Hurt me so good, baby. Oh. Okay, my nachos are done. Let's try them. Like I said, you want to make this, it's just block Velveeta cheese, ground turkey, ground beef, whichever one you want to use, and rotel tomatoes. That's all. I put a little milk in it just so it wouldn't be so thick. But I'm happy now. So I'm gonna sit here, watch some TV, watch some Netflix, And I will see y'all tomorrow for this time. I'm really not coming back, so I'll see y'all in the morning. Bye-bye. Vlogmas Day 2.